Alright, I'll make another video here for anybody that has one of these free gift, free energy motors from Quantum Magnetics. We've had a few times the motor stopped, and the first time I just added more magnets to it to give it a little bit more power and got it going again. And then I made it so it levitated on 2 magnets. And this third time, and he's had it for like 9 months, and we've always been able to get it running. But this last time, it almost looked like it was leaking around the cells, like around. It's hard to hold the flashlight here. I don't have a pointer, but these cells here, there's 2 cells sandwiched together, and the graphite or whatever it was forming crystals all the way around the edge on the top and bottom of both cells, and the voltage came way down. So I got a hold of Mike at Quantum Magnetics, and he gave me a simple fix. And at first I was kind of I was really hopeful that it would work. But all I had to do was knock off the crystal all the way around the 2 cells. I had to loosen the 4 nuts that hold the sandwich the 2 cells together. He told me don't take them off, just loosen them up. And then after I get the crystals off all the way around, like I said, I use Scotch-Brite. Then you take some distilled water, has to be distilled, and you just put a bead of water on the top and bottom plate on all 4 sides, and it will moisten the silicon graphite, or a combination of both. He says under the right conditions, sometimes it'll dry out, and when it does, the voltage will drop. So I got some distilled water in a little bottle, and I put a bead of water on the top and bottom. And of course, I had it set down, standing up, so I can just put a bead of water on it, and it would soak in. And I'd turn it and do it again, So I put a bead of water, top and bottom plate, all the way around, and the voltage jumped up. It was down to under a volt. It was 0.9 something, and it jumped up to 2.5 volts. And I did this yesterday morning, and it's early in the morning now. It's about 6 o'clock or so. So anyway, it's running again, and I expect it'll keep running for quite a while. And if it if it starts, I'll know what to do if it does it again. I'll just keep the bottle of distilled water and make sure there's no crystals forming. So anyway, if anyone out there happens to have one of these motors, I thought I would pass on this tip. Don't just assume it's junk. It's not real, because it's very real. I just thought I would make this video to hopefully help someone. All right, well, God bless, and we will talk to you later.